see the ingredients. Boiled cold milk, rose milk powder, sugar, ice cubes and sabja seeds. I soak this in water half an hour. Today I'm going to prepare 3 cups. One for my brother, one for my sister and one for me. Add half spoon of rose milk powder. Then add sugar. Now add milk. Well. Now add sabja seeds. Now add ice. Linda. Now our rose milk is ready to taste. Sister, come and taste. Oh, I'm here. Oh, what is this? Give me a feed flask. Okay. Mama. There you also drink. It's nice. It's good? Yeah. Thank you, sister. Welcome. Try this recipe at home and give me a feedback.